it through the candy gate. Now the next challenge begins.
We must cross all 3 safely to reach the top.
Oh no, I'm sinking.
Don't worry. I'll help you carefully.
Always stay calm when things get tricky. Wow, it's so bouncy!
Step carefully. It's slippery, but safe.
Let's just look and not taste yet.
We need to go slowly.
I'll walk beside you.
It's okay. Let's try again.
Yay! We did it! We did it!
Beautiful. Let's move carefully.
It sounds like fairy music.
Looks like a puzzle. We need the right color to continue. The map shows blue.
Great job solving it.
We're almost there.
We need to help it shine again.
We did it! Ah! Thank you, Lala and friendly spider hero.
Something new is coming.
Let's explore it in the next adventure. It's showing us the next part of our quest. This must be the Sugar Crystal Grotto. Oh,